Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Sami and you are watching Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Dear friends, in this video lecture today I am going to discuss about basic knowledge for civil engineers, and this knowledge is too much important for those students which are working on construction sites. So here in this video you are able to learn about different grade of concrete, unit weight for different types of material which we are using in construction works, and also weight of steel for different types of diameter, and also clear cover for main reinforcement. So let's start. If this video is helpful for you, so must like this video and subscribe this channel for more updates civil engineering videos. But remember, if you need civil engineering articles, so just visit to my website www.civilstudents.com. Let's start. So basic knowledge for civil engineers. So the first one, concrete grade. So already you know that what is grade of concrete. If you don't know what is grade of concrete, so the link is in the description of this video. What is grade of concrete and different types of concrete grade. Okay, so here the first grade for concrete is M5, and the ratio of M5 is already here 1:4:8. Okay, so 1 is here cement, and 4 is here sand, and 8 is here aggregate or crush. Okay, so for M20 1:3:6, and for M15 1:2:4. If in drawing you see that use M20 grade concrete for slab, so you have to use this one 1.5 and 3. 1 will be here cement, and 1.5 will be here sand, and 3 will be here aggregate. Okay, so for M15 is here 1:2:4, for M20 1:1.5:3, and for M25 1:1:2. Okay, so this is concrete grade. So in second we have clear cover for main reinforcement. So for footing we use clear cover, okay, or we have to provide clear cover 50 millimeter. Remember this point, okay. But the second one is here raft foundation top. Raft foundation top, okay, so that will be 50 millimeter. So this is raft foundation cross section, right? So here these are steels. Okay, these are also steels and raft foundation, you can see. So this is cover, okay, but top cover, concrete cover, okay, that should be 50 millimeter. Remember, that should be 50 millimeter. And the other one is here raft foundation bottom and sides. Okay, so for bottom and sides, okay, these are sides for raft foundation. Okay, it should be 75 millimeter. And raft foundation, the top should be, concrete cover should be here 50 millimeter, and for the side and bottoms should be here 75 millimeters. Okay, these sides, both side and also bottom should be 75, and the top should be here 50 millimeter. And now for the column we have to provide clear cover. So this is column, so these are steel, so this cover it should be 40 millimeter, and beam it should be 25 millimeter, and slab 15 to 25 millimeter we have to provide clear cover, concrete clear cover. Okay, for staircase, okay, that will be here 15 millimeter. Okay, too much important these are. So now weight of steel per meter. Okay, so for 6 millimeter weight of steel is 0.22 kg per meter, that is per meter, this one. So how we can find this weight of steel for 6 millimeter? So simply we have already discussed these points. Okay, so you can use same formula, d square divided by 162. Okay, d should be here in millimeter. For example, if we use 6, so 6 square, that will be, and divided by 162, it will give us here 0.22 kg per meter, right? So use the same formula to find weight of steel per meter, kg per meter. So for 8 millimeter 0.395 kg per meter, for 10 mm 0.616 kg, for 12 mm 0.88 kg per meter, for 16 mm 1.578 kg per meter, and for 20 millimeter die of steel 2.466 kg, for 25 3.853 kg, for 32 6.313 kg, and for 40 millimeter 9.865. If you have the die of steel more than 40, okay, so you can use the same formula which can give you weight of steel kg per meter. Okay, so the same formula you can use for other die of steel. So now unit weight for different material which we are using in construction work. So the first one is concrete. The concrete unit weight is 25 kilonewton per meter cube. If you want to calculate the load of structure, okay, so if you are using their concrete, because concrete is a main key there for construction work, so the concrete unit weight is 25 kilonewton per meter cube. Like that for bricks, that is 19 kilonewton per meter cube. Okay, for steel 7850 kg per meter cube, for cement 1440 kg per meter cube, and for 1 gallon that is equal 4.81 liters. It's too much important, but remember one thing other, that one bag of cement is equal 50 kg, right? So these are some basic knowledge for civil engineers. So I have already discussed. If you have any questions, so you can comments. So it's sufficient for today. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.